Hey everyone, in this video I show you how to add automatic subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro using your PC or laptop. This is the fastest way to create accurate captions without typing anything manually. Let's get started. First you just need to open up Premiere Pro, import your video into the timeline and make sure the audio is clear so Premiere can generate accurate subtitles. Now go to the top menu and select window option and select text, and you can able to see caption menu opens up over here. You just need to select the create transcription. From the language drop down, choose the language spoken in your video. Premiere Pro supports English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and many more. Make sure the audio on track is selected mix for the best accuracy and click on transcribe. In the text panel, you just need to click on this icon CC create captions and then click on this preferences and lines, set this to single and choose your style, size and how long each subtitles appears. In this depends on the preference, you just need to adjust it and then select the create captions option. Now you can click on any subtitles to fix spelling, adjust timing and change font and color in a external graphics panel. I'll show you how to edit this. If you want to edit, then just double click on this text and you can use the backspace or you can use the keyboard to type anything if you want. And that's it. That's how you can add automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro 2025 using your PC or laptop. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one.